and I'm standing in front of 37 Kirsi Circle here in Westford. Let's come on inside and get excited about this beautiful home.
Linda's watching. Hi, Linda.
Hi, Linda. Linda, you're Linda.
I am Linda. I'm watching. I'm behind the camera.
So we're gonna come on in and take a right and go into the dining room, and from there we'll make our way out to the kitchen. So we have very nice hardwood, you have crown molding, chair rail.
Megan is watching.
Hi, Megan.
So she's going to give you a view from both sides. So we'll go in the kitchen in a minute.
Very nice paint colors here, all in vogue with what's going on today.
And Bill is definitely in vogue, so.
Yeah, not really. I try. Two nice big windows that help with that natural sunlight.
Oh, he's gone. Where'd he go? He's like magic. There he is.
There he is, into the kitchen. Nice big open kitchen area. You'll see that as Linda pans around. A little dining area, kitchen island. Does have sliders that go out to a nice little deck out there. Solid counters. Gas stove.
So it's a nice big kitchen.
It is. It's really pretty too.
So we're going to start. I'm just going to pan one more time and then we'll continue because you can see you get a nice space. You get a good space for that island. Lots of cabinets, the window over the sink, and then there's plenty of room for your kitchen table. And that's your slider to the backyard, which we will end on.
I really like it. I always like the windows over the sink like that when you're working, especially when you have such a pretty backyard like this.
Yeah, nice and really nice as you're looking at the lighting in the house, some really nice light fixtures as well.
We're going to come down to this area. If you went right through this wall here, you'd go into your two-car garage. So this is the normal way homeowners will come in. They'll park their car here, walk across and come in this way.
Or go in the garage and still has an overhang,
Correct,
which gets you over through any kind of stormy weather into this door.
You can stay out of the rain, yes. Convenient first floor washer and dryer. Extra closet here to hang up your coat, kick off your shoes. And a 3/4 bath.
Yeah, so that was a nice little surprise. So a lot of times you see the half bath here. But if we come in and kind of turn, we have a nice shower in there. So perfect for coming in, working out, whatever, come right in.
Absolutely.
Take a shower before you mess up my house.
Do my best. I'll definitely do my best. So we're going to walk back through the kitchen, and we're going to walk into the living room. This is the door to the basement. Clean, dry basement down there. We don't need to go down, but
So living room or family room are we in?
this is the living room.
Living room.
Online with
Okay.
fireplace, hardwood, crown molding.
See the two windows to the backyard. I know Bill talked about the neighborhood, but it definitely is, as he mentioned, a sought-after neighborhood. It does have, the only reason you're coming into Kirsi is because you live here or you're visiting. So it's not any way of a cut-through street because it just kind of loops around and has one additional cut-through road to it. So it's nice where you don't have to worry about excess traffic. You are close to town, close to 110, close to the Route 3 or 495.
Yeah, it's a great in-town location to amenities and to major travel routes. So we're gonna come out of the living room,
So,
down the hall.
so this was the hall when we entered. Like, there's the front door, Bill's closing. We got a coat closet here. And the hardwood starts back up again.
And into the family room with hardwood and crown molding. Windows for extra sunlight to come in. What I like about houses when they're set up like this, because I had a similar one, is we dedicated one room to the adults and one room to the kids.
That's right.
So we could keep the adult one pretty simple and clean, and the kids could do all their video games and etc. in the other one.
I feel like the adult one in my house, the kids would get the better room in my house. Right, Megan?
You gotta put your foot down, Linda. So we are going to head up the stairs, and we're going to go to the left and into the main bedroom. Again, there's 4 bedrooms up here, all very good size, you'll see that. So the math is all hardwood up here as well. So hardwood in every one of the bedrooms. This is the master. When the pans around, you'll see that it has 2 closets, which is always nice.
There's one behind the door there,
Yep,
where
one
near
right
Bill,
here, and there's one right here.
and then there.
And does have a very convenient half bath.
Oh, there I am.
There we are.
I'm in my full
There you
length
are.
mirror. Yeah,
You're everywhere.
I am everywhere in this house.
Welcome to my world, people.
It's a wonderful world, Bill.
Yes, it is, Linda. Let's keep moving. Into the second bedroom, with again, nice hardwood. They have this set up as an office. And there's still, when you see it, because it's a good sized room, there's still plenty of space if you wanted to put a day bed in here and pull it down for guests. Or if you just wanted to keep it as an office, or if you want it as a full bedroom. So you have all kinds of options in here.
Right, because you do have the 4 bedrooms, so if you don't really need all 4 to-be bedrooms,
Correct.
everyone needs that at-home office now.
Right.
So it's plenty of space for that. It's very nice.
And obviously does have a closet. So we'll do the other 2 bedrooms first, and then we'll go back into the full bath that's up here. This is the 3rd bedroom. Again, good size, obviously has a closet, nice hardwood. Walls and ceilings are in good shape.
There we go. Then we'll go to the 4th.
Both one towards the back of the house, so they get the nicety of a view out the back onto your backyard. Maybe Linda will give you a quick sneak peek.
Yeah, I can get in another mirror right there.
Yes, yeah, well, I'll get another sneak peek of you.
That's right. And nice 2 windows together.
Got plenty of natural light throughout the house.
We will go outside in a minute, but just to show you the view from up here. Looks very pretty. Get you this side. All right, Bill.
And another mirror that you'll see yourself in.
No, I've managed to avoid all of them in here that they haven't seen.
It's right here. So this is the second full bath. Tile floor, solid counter. Tiled tub and shower.
Linen
And
closet.
linen closet.
Yes, you have nice with 1 shower downstairs. If you need a tub, you have your tub and shower up here.
I will let Linda go down first.
Okay, look at those. I love those. Those kind of sunflowers, the flowers on the wall. Oops.
So we'll make our way back down the stairs. We'll turn left and go through the kitchen. And I will open the back slider for Linda.
Good, Bill.
The sun is working really hard to come out.
I know, I think we're gonna get the only pocket of sun all day. Which is nice, I'll take it so I'm not out here filming in the rain.
So again, your lot is 0.94 acres. You've got a pretty expansive backyard here, level, lots of room for entertaining guests, kids playing.
I'm gonna try and go down because I want you to see. So past, see right there is kind of like a little mulchy area, and then past there, that is included in their land as well. There's like a blue chair way out, not these 2 here with the table, but there's another set way out, that's part of it as well. So it's a really large backyard.
And they do have a shed back there for extra storage. And you can see how nice and private it is back here as well.
The birds are talking to us.
There's a bunch of those little birds chasing away a big hawk, so
That's right,
a lot of
see?
excitement here.
Strength in numbers.
So that concludes our tour. Thank you everybody for staying with us. Again, this is 37 Kirsi Circle in Westford. We're going to be live on MLS tomorrow. Showings will begin on Thursday. We'll do an open house on Sunday, 11 to 1 on Sunday, again because of the Patriots game playing at 1. And all offers will be due on Monday by noontime. And we're going to come on at $800,000. So So if you have any questions, reach out to us, put them in the threads. We're happy to answer them for you. Like our Facebook page so you don't miss any more of these videos, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll repost this up there. We have lots of videos on real estate, but a lot of other fun videos of things around town. Linda and I cooking, making drinks, all that stuff.
All fun things.
Thank you, everybody. Really appreciate it. Stay safe.
Thank you.